Now the Reggae Boyz are in action as we speak against Honduras at the National Stadium in a game that will determine the specific destination of the boys in the quarterfinal round of the CONCACAF Nations League. The simple equation is Jamaica win or draw and we top the group. If we lose to Honduras, then mathematics could come into play. But looking at this Jamaica team taking shape, regardless of what happens in the Nations League, looking at the bigger picture, this team supposed to qualify for the World Cup. The way the pieces are falling into place, with Tariq McGee as a creative player, now a part of the midfield, with the JFF and Coach McLaren still scouring the leagues of the world in search of more players. But even with the same squad as we have it, the qualification door to the 2026 World Cup is now wide open. There can be no excuses for Jamaica not qualifying for this World Cup, not for Steve McLaren, and certainly not for the JFF.